Are you frustrated with your Schwintek slide not coming in evenly? I'm going to show you a few steps that'll actually get this corrected and working properly.
Welcome to another 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday.
The Schwintek actually has two motors, and they read each other off of what we call a Hall sensor. It's counting the revolutions on how many times the motor spins for it to go out. This sometimes causes a problem between the motors and the control board. When the control board sees this, it's going to continue to operate slowly until it gets straightened out. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. Here's the first step that we're going to do. We're going to actually roll the Schwintek slide out about an inch, inch and a half, 2 inches max. Then once it gets stopped, stop it at that point, and then we're going to actually push it back in until it meets up with the wooden wall. You'll hear one motor slide, and then you hear the other motor. The trick is to hold it 3 to 5 seconds, let it go. Now, this may take a couple of times to do this, but what it's doing is it's getting those Hall effect sensors to gather together and count the same revolutions. So I'm going to do it again. Out. And then back in. Three to 5 seconds. Go again. Back in. Hold it 3 to 5 seconds. 2 to 3 times, maybe 4 times, and it'll actually hold where it's actually counting. The Hall effect sensors are counting their revolutions, and it should be fixed on that point. Schwintek slide system is actually what we call an in-wall system. The motors and the rod are inside. The one motor spins 2 sets of gears, one for the lower and one for the upper. The way you can identify a Schwintek from being on the outside of your RV is seeing the rails. We have one on bottom and we have one on top. This is actually how you identify a Schwintek slide system. I hope that you found this helpful. And if you have any other questions about Schwintek slides, or if you have any other topic that you would like us to tackle, leave them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer those for you. There's your tech tip.
All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
Yeah, wait a minute, stop. Or do you have problems with your? No. Schwintek's. There's that pause. Do you have a problem with your RV slide? Oh. Why did I forget that? Damn it. Sometimes on different. Or how many?
There's your tech tip.
And there's, I'm going to say that's again. And I didn't do it the last time. There's your tip. Hi, y'all. I hurt myself. Schwintek. Dadgummit. This slide here. Y'all ever use one of these Schwintek and look, and if you haven't, yeah. And that's your tech tip.
You said back.
I did, didn't I? If you have any Schwintek